Good morning dear students. In a previous lecture we have solved the exercise 10.2 question number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now today we will discuss about the remaining question of this exercise. Question number 7. Find the equation of the line passing through the points -1, 1 and 2, -4. Exercise 10.2 question number 7. Passing through points -1, 1 and -1, 1 and 2, -4. Okay students, here in this question given that line passing through the 2 points, first point is the -1, 1 and next point is the 2, -4. Then we find the equation of the line. Okay students, x dash, y dash, o -1, 1, -1, 1, 2, -4, 2, -4. Line passing through the 2 points, first point is the -1, 1 and next point is the 2, -4. Okay students, we know that y minus y1 equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. This is a equation of the line passing through the 2 points x1, y1 and x2, y2. Using this formula we find the equation of the line L. Given that x1, y1 is equal to -1, 1, x2, y2 is equal to 2, -4. The equation of line passing through -1, 1 and 2, -4. Y minus y1, here y1 is the 1 is equal to y2 is the -4, y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 minus plus -1 into x minus x1 is the -1. Okay students, this implies that y minus y1 is equal to -5 upon 2 plus 1 x plus 1. This implies that y minus 1 equal to -5 upon 3 into x plus 1. This implies that 3y minus 3 is equal to -5x minus 5. This implies that 5x plus 3y, 5x plus 3y plus 2 equal to 0. Here -5 is a transfer in a left hand side, plus 5 minus 3 is equal to plus 2, which is a equation of straight line passing through the points minus 1 comma 1 and 2 comma minus 4. Okay students, let us move question number 8. Question number 8. Perpendicular distance from the origin is a 5 units and the angle made by the perpendicular with the positive x axis is the 30 degree. Question number 8. In this question, given that P equal to 5 units, P equal to 5 units and omega equal to 30 degree, then we find the equation of straight line L. Here this angle is the angle AOM is equal to omega and OA equal to P. In this question given that, then we find the equation of straight line L. We know that equation of line L is x cos omega plus y sin omega is equal to P. Okay students, this is a normal form. Here omega equal to 30 degree and P equal to 5 unit, then we find the equation of the straight line L. This implies that x cos omega cos 30 degree plus y sin 30 degree is equal to 5. This implies that what is the value of cos 30 students? The value of cos 30 is the square root 3 by 2 and the value of sin 30 is the 1 by 2. We put the value of cos 30 and sin 30. Okay students, x into square root 3 by 2 plus y into 1 by 2 is equal to 5. This implies that square root 3x by 2 plus y by 2, here students y by 2 is equal to 5. This implies that square root 3x plus y by 2 is equal to 5. This implies that square root 3x plus y equal to 10, which is a equation of straight line, perpendicular distance from the origin is a 5 unit and the angle made by the perpendicular with the positive x axis is the 30 degree. Okay students, let us move on question number 9. The vertices of triangle PQR are P 2 comma 1, q minus 2 comma 3, and r 4 comma 5, find the equation of median through the vertex R. Okay, students. The vertices of triangle PQR are given PQR. The coordinate of point P is the 2 comma 1, and coordinate of point Q is the minus 2 comma 3. Q is the minus 2 comma 3, and R is the 4 comma 5. In a Cartesian plane, a triangle PQR, we find the midpoint of PR and joining the vertex R. Here AR is median of triangle PQR. Okay, students, here AR is the median of triangle PQR. We find the coordinate of point A. Point A is the midpoint of line segment PR. A is the midpoint of line segment PR. Okay, students, then coordinate of point A is 2 plus minus 2 upon 2 comma 1 plus 3 by 2. A equal 0, 2. Okay, students, here we find the coordinate of a point A is the 0 comma 2. Again, we find the equation of line passing through points A and R. Okay, students, here A 0 comma 2 and R 4 comma 5. Okay, students, using the formula, line passing through the 2 points x1 comma y1 and x2 comma y2. Okay, students, y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. This implies that equation of the line passing through the 2 points A and R y minus y1 is the 2 is equal to y2 minus y1 5 minus 2 upon x2 minus x1 4 minus 0 into x minus x1. Okay students, this implies that y minus 2 is equal to 3 upon 4x. This implies that 4y minus 8 is equal to 3x. This implies that 3x minus 4y plus 8 equal to 0, which is a equation of straight line passing through the points A and R, where A is the median of triangle PQR. Here, using the formula x1 plus x2 by 2 y1 plus y2 by 2. Okay students, we find the coordinate of point A and then we find the equation of line passing through the points A and R. Let us move on question number 10. Find the equation of the line. Question number 10. Find the equation of line. Find the equation of the line passing through minus 3, 5 and perpendicular to the line through the points 2, 5 and minus 3, 6. Okay students, question number 10. Find the equation of the line passing through the points minus 3, 5 and perpendicular to the line through the points 2, 5 and minus 3, 6. Okay students, we find the equation of the line which is a perpendicular to the line segment and line segment AB, where A is the 2, 5 and B is the minus 3, 6. Okay students, we find the line equation of the line L, which is a perpendicular to the line segment AB and passing through the points minus 3, 5. Okay students, we know that equation of line passes through x0, y0 with slope m is y minus y0 is equal to m into. Using this formula, we find the equation of the line L. Here point x0, y0 are given minus 3, 5, but not a given that slope of the line. but we find the slope of the line by using the slope of two perpendicular line. That means if we know that the line segment perpendicular, if we know that the slope of the line AB, then also we find the slope of the line L. Okay students, slope of line segment AB m equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. M equal to y2 is the 6 minus y1 5 upon x2 minus 3 minus 2. Okay students, m equal to 1 upon minus 5. Here slope of line segment AB is the minus 1 upon 5. Line L and AB are perpendicular, given that then slope of line L is equal to minus 1 upon slope of line segment AB. Why students? Because both are perpendicular to the each other. Okay students, this implies that slope of line L is equal to minus 1 upon slope of the line segment AB is the minus 1 upon 5 minus 1 upon 5. This implies that slope of line L is equal to 5. Slope of line L is equal to 5. Okay students, here slope of line L is the 5 and passing through the points minus 3 comma 5. We find the equation of the line, L, y minus y0 is the 5, y minus y0 into m is the also 5, x minus x0 is the minus 3 minus 3. This implies that y minus 5 equal to 5 into x plus 3. This implies that y minus 5 equal to 5x plus 15. This implies that 5x minus y plus 20 is equal to 0, which is the equation of line L. This is your answer. Okay students, in this question given that line passing through a points minus 3 comma 5 and not directly given that slope of the line, but line is the perpendicular to the line segment AB. Okay students, and coordinate of AB also given that, then we find the slope of the line segment AB. If the slope of the line segment AB is the minus 1 upon 5, then slope of the line L is the 5. Why students? Both lines are perpendicular to the each other. Okay students, slope of the line L is the 5 and passing through the points minus 3 comma 5, then using this formula we find the equation of the line L is 5x minus y plus 20 equal to 0. Okay, let us move question number 12. Question number 12. Find the equation of the line that cuts of equal intercept on the coordinate axis and passing through the points 2, 3. Okay students, question number 12. Line cuts the equal intercept of both axes, axis x and axis y. Here OAB, that means given that in this question OA equal to OB. Okay students, lines cuts equal intercept on both axes, x axis and y axis. We suppose this is the A. Okay students, and passing through the points 2, 3, and passing through the points 2, 3. Then we find the equation of the straight line L. Here we using if line intercept x axis is the A and y axis is the B, then the equation of the straight line x upon a plus y upon b equal to 1. Okay students, here x intercept is the a and y intercept is the also a. We suppose that because given that okay, then the equation of line L is x upon a plus y upon a is equal to 1. Here line is passes through 2, 3. Okay students, line is the also passes through the points 2, 3. That means line is the satisfied this point. Okay, this implies that 2a plus 3 upon a equal to 1. Here we put the value of x and y is the 2 and 3 in equation 1. In equation 1. Okay students. In equation 1 we get x by a, that means 2 by a plus 3 by a equal to 1. This implies that 2 plus 3 upon a equal to 1. This implies that a equal to 5. The value of a equal to 5. Therefore the equation of line is, we put the value a equal to 5 in equation 1. Okay students, x upon 5 plus y upon 5 equal to 1. This implies that x plus y equal to 5. X plus y equal to 5, which is your answer. And x intercept of line is the 5 and y intercept of line is the 5. Both are equal. The equation of the line x plus y equal to 5. This is your answer. Okay students, do yourself the remaining question of this exercise. Okay, thank you.